Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So I'm going to teach you how to create Breaking Bad on Infinite Graph. So let's just go ahead. Earth, fire, water, water, obsidian, obsidian, diamond, put on top here, crown, crown, queen, king. Now there's a bride here, but marriage underneath here. Marriage twice, wife and divorce, splitting headache here. But earth and water, you get a plant, aspirin, medicine, water, diamond, you get gold now, plant, but in gold you get money, money, you get the dealer, you get the drug dealer, philosopher's stone, chemist, drug dealer. Now we got meth lab. Put meth lab and drug dealer together, you get Walter White in Breaking Bad. So that's just it. I hope this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.